Coming at you with another YouTube video, and this video is a 2-year mark on whether or not these coolant filters are actually doing the job of removing any rust and debris in my Jeep Cherokee's cooling system. If you watched the last one, there was a lot of crap in the pleats, so I'm suspecting that after 2 years it's probably even worse. Now, I would not recommend keeping one of these in your Jeep for more than a year. Realistically speaking, you probably want to change this every 6 months, but I kind of forgot about it and now I'm removing it. So let's check out the inside. I cut this off using a multi-tool, and as you can see, let me see if I can get a better view of this. There is a lot of rust and grime in this filter. Let me see if I can get a better view. I got some latex gloves on, but that is some pretty muddy stuff. It's you can see it on my fingers here. It feels like mud, but really it's rust and grime from the engine block. It's really caked in there. I don't know if I can get a better view. Let me try and get the sun to help out here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is pretty nasty. So if you run into issues with rust in your coolant, I highly recommend doing the coolant mod, coolant filter mod, because it's definitely helping out my Jeep. It's still running cool, and the coolant is staying green longer. In the inside, the bottom here, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's pretty muddy stuff in there. Pretty nasty. If this wasn't installed, it would be running through my radiator, and I'd probably have to replace my radiator every year or two. So again, installing one of these with the part number LFW4685, you're going to want to replace this every 6 months or once a year, depending on how rusty your coolant is and how rusty your engine block is. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If you want to see another one of these after 6 months or a year, please leave it in the comment section below, because I'm going to consistently replace this, so why not make a video every time I do it. Hope you like this. Peace out and subscribe.